Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Avalanche. All right. Wanted to do a full update on that. I haven't covered this in a while, but Avalanche has some interesting updates coming up, and just in general, it has been, even though you would not say that by looking at the charts, but it has been a relatively strong crypto as well. Like if we, for example, get back to that week between Monday the 19th and the 23rd, it actually rallies up like 37%, which is pretty good. Since then it's bearish, all right? And at this point of time, I would say it's bearish or it's at least not bullish either. But there are some things that we can do. There's some opportunities here we'll talk about in terms of trading. And there's some news we need to talk about as well with Avalanche 9000. So that's what we'll do. And at the end of the video, hopefully you're well prepared for what's about to come for Avax. So yeah, the main thing right now when we're talking about the technicals is that, you know, we're bearish, right? We're relatively low here. I would be quite weird if I would call this bullish. Right now, there's some bullish moments here and there. And if you go to the 12-hour time frame, if you go to the 4-hour time frame, we have a good chance that we can actually consolidate here between $19.5 and $20 as a support level, and $22.5 and $23 as a resistance, right? So I would say in terms of other cryptos, Avax right now is pretty safe. If Bitcoin obviously falls down lower and starts to fall down towards $54, then there's a chance that Avax falls back down to 17.5. But right now, in terms of technicals, we are relatively stable but bearish. All right, but we still have a pretty big buffer zone here to the downside, which we can still fall down to. So that's, most cryptos don't have that. Fundamentally, though, the image is pretty mixed, right? So we had some strong fundamentals for Avax in the last couple of months, even, which pushed the price up quite often. But now when you look at the statistics, it is a mixed image, right? So if you look at the daily transactions, if you look at the DEX trading volumes, for example, that's relatively low and stable. But then you have the total value locked, and I would say the total value locked is actually doing pretty well compared to the 5th of August, but also compared to something like Solana, which has fallen down quite a bit more. So that's a mixed image. And then the big question is well, all right, we heard about Avalanche 9000 yesterday afternoon. Probably not the best timing to release news like this, but sometimes you cannot wait. What is this, right? Will this actually be bullish? What will this mean for Avalanche in terms of the network statistics that we just saw? And when will this be released? Like, this could be something that actually causes bullish momentum, and that's interesting because that's opportunities. So this is interesting, but I'm a trader, right? And I do want to see some sort of indication that we will actually see a move up because of this. And so far, I don't see that yet. And that's probably because of the market right now. But if you look at the momentum right here for Avax, it's not good enough to buy, I would say. If you look at the market as a whole, it's also not strong enough to even consider buying an altcoin. And then if we look at the technicals, like, I would need to see at least a break above 22.5 in order for me to think Avax is interesting. All right, so yes, there are interesting fundamentals in the future, and those could be a catalyst to buy Avax and make some money. But if we look at the technical situation right now, and for that, I'll also get back to what we said earlier. For now, I'm not convinced. And I would even go as far as saying that it's most likely that we'll test that main support level between 20 and 19.5 a little bit more. And then at some point of time, if Bitcoin is able to find a strong foundation, find strong supports, then Avax has a chance, and I will keep you updated on that. For now, I think it's most likely we'll drop down and hold this level down here for now. All right, those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.